What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. So this is a Paw token update. This is one that I got overwhelming feedback from supporters of the channel saying that y'all wanted this one to be featured on the channel from here on out. So we're gonna keep up with this one. We did absolutely fantastic on this token right now. It's absolutely booming. Hopefully y'all were a part of the community that were able to catch this when I first called it out. Original people that got it, and I made a mistake in my last video and said we called it at that 708 level, I believe, but it was really the 8 zeros, and I think around that 3 level, if I'm not mistaken. So you got to just go back to my first video and you'll be able to see the price where we called it at. But most of my community members that did catch that play were able to receive a 20x plus on that play. So we're following this one right now. We're keeping track of it. I want to bring some technical analysis to y'all on Paw token. I don't see anyone else doing this. So if you're a part of the Paw community, salute, man. Let's check this out, what we have here. So right now, Paw at that 706592 level, down 25%. I see it hovering between, I seen it down around 40% earlier. I just seen it down around 30%. Now it's down 25%. So what does that tell us? That the price is starting to pick back up. Also, if we take a look at this candle here, even though this is a red candle, this is still a bullish candle. The candle that is forming tells us that, by red candles open from the top, close at the top, the bottom. So we know this candle opened here, pushed all the way down to this level, and buyers pushed it all the way back up to this level. Actually, it started here, it started here. Buyers were in control briefly before sellers took control, pushed it all the way down to this level, but buyers came back in the fight and pushed it and closed it back above this green candle here. So the form of this candle is a bullish candle, and also it closing above this candle is also a bullish sign, and it holding that upper Bollinger Band is also a bullish sign. Now we do have the volume tapering off right now. RSI on a 77. It appears, we know 70 and above is considered overbought, but this token is extremely bullish. $10 million in volume in the last 24 hours. Let's go down to the 4-hour chart just so we can get a closer look at what's actually playing out. We could see the price did retrace, but look where it found support, right along that middle Bollinger Band. This middle Bollinger Band is used as a support or resistance, depending on if the price is coming from the upside trading down or if it's coming from trading to the upside. Now, right now we see it retracing right off this middle Bollinger Band. You see it retrace, and then here a confident green candle came in. Buyers saying we want to take the price up, or we want to take the asset at this level. Once we see it hovering on this middle Bollinger Band, we want to enter at that position along this support. Also, the candle following it is still a bullish candle. It's still showing that buyers are kind of in agreement with the price where it's set, because sellers are trying to take control, but buyers will not allow it to take place. Yes, the price is dropping slightly, but buyers are essentially saying we don't want it below this point because they already stepped in here. So we might see this level protected. Of course, if the overall market yanks back, we could see it pull back further, but I don't think the momentum is gone off of this one. I think a lot of people are excited about the potential here, and a lot of people have still yet to jump into this play. So I think it can possibly continue off of this level, going back around to that 1092 level. So basically 8 zeros or 9 zeros. So basically erasing 2 more zeros. So that will put it at, my bad y'all, I'm completely off right now. So back to around, let me get it exactly. I didn't want to count all these zeros. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 6 zeros in that 1092 level. My bad, y'all. But it's looking good, for the Paw community. Hopefully y'all are able to jump in on this play. Don't want to take too much time up on it. We could go check out the Twitter page real quick, see what updates have been made for today. PawSwap says live on Vechain. So another exchange listing. So just more and more exchange listings as the day goes by. I don't think this trend is over yet. A lot of exchanges are going to FOMO in, wanting to get a piece of the action. You got to remember, these exchanges make money from trading volume. So if they see a project getting $10 million in trading volume in the last 24 hours, they're going to pay attention to that and want to take part of that. My bad, y'all. Let me show y'all that. So we can see right here on Vechain crypto exchange. So that's all we got for this video. That's our Paw update, unless something else takes place. For those that are asking, this is not financial advice, but if you haven't got any based on the technicals, this is not a bad place to start a position or, you know, begin to dollar cost average if you want to do that. This is not financial advice, not telling you to, but this is for those who have a little more risk tolerance and understand that you never want to put in more than you're willing to lose, because you could end up losing it all. Appreciate y'all for pulling up.